Hi everyone. Now we are discussing the framework order with a one-time vendor. No inventory activity or service sheet entries. Only invoice verification. Here the scenario is to provide training for newly joined employees. The transaction code is ME21N. Select the document type for the framework order. Fill in the organization details. Here I give the one-time vendor for our service. Now the system will ask for the time limit and value limit. No need for a material master record and quantity. Just select the account assignment category and item category. Suppose you select item category D. You need to do the service sheet entry. Here fill in the materials short text, price, material, group, and plant. No need to enter the storage location. Why? Because the inventory process will not happen. Now, give the overall limit value for this procurement, an expected value. Select the cost center and corresponding the GL account. Here I am using the cost center as an R&D unit and its expense account. Select the tax code. In a one-time vendor procurement process, the system will ask for the vendor's address. Why? Because each and every time we will use the new vendor. Finally, check the document and save it. Now the purchase order is posted. Now, invoice verification process. The T code MIRO. Enter the company code details. Fill in the document date, posting date, and purchase order number. Also, enter the baseline date. Now, go to the account assignment and enter the amount. If you enter an extra amount, the system will issue the warning. Actually, here we can enter multiple entries. No need to edit the purchase order. Here directly enter the values within the limit, but we need to enter the proper GL number, business area code, cost center code, and tax code details. Now check the values and back. Execute the tax calculation and enter the amount. Simulate and post the document. The document number is generated. Now check the follow-on documents and select the accounting entries and analyze the credit and debit transaction event keys. Now go to the purchasing order. The purchase order history was generated. That's it. The blanket purchase order process is completed.